We have this question. This is a pure exams question, right? So for the basic candidate, okay. So the base of an isosceles triangle is 7 centimeters long. Each of the other two sides is x centimeters. So here we believe that this is too technical. So let's see how to get a better understanding in solving this problem, right? So now the key here is that you must first of all understand a isosceles triangle, or maybe what does the triangle look like. So this is a pure demonstration that looks like a triangle. You see that thing at the top, this building, right? So that building is what we are calling what a triangle shape. That's all. So on a paper, this is how it looks like. You see my very beautiful diagram here. You see this guy. Okay, let me change the pen. Okay, maybe let me use this one. And you see this guy is what we are calling a triangle on a paper, right? So that is for a triangle. So the isosceles, what does it mean? So the easiest explanation we did on our channel here is that you see, if there's one guy at the end of the building, right? So I think this pen is not properly. Okay, let me use this one. So this guy, there's a one guy standing here. Is that okay? So that is one guy here. And if this guy takes, like, let's say 2 minutes to get to the top, the top here, right? The top here, 2 minutes. Is that okay? There's another guy here. This guy also takes up another 2 minutes to get to the top in the red top here. It's your friend. How many minutes are you going to spend to get to your friend's house or destination? So assuming that is 7 minutes, right? And that is what we are calling the base. Anything down here is what we are calling the base. You should understand this thing before you can solve this whole question. Is that okay? All right, so perfect. Now, how do you proceed? So for you to proceed here, you have to make sure that they say the base of the isosceles, that is just the simple definitions of an isosceles triangle, as well as the base. So we have the base to be, what do we have here? We have 7 centimeters, right? So that is just for the base. The base is 7 centimeters from this question. Is that okay? We have here to be 7. So that is how I got the 7 centimeters at the down here. So you should be able to, the point is, you should be able to draw this thing somewhere for easy understanding. If you are finding it difficult to do this thing, make sure that you join us on the channel, right? So the link will be down this video. Now that is for 7 centimeters long. Now each of the other two sides is x centimeter. Don't let this x panic you, right? You can just replace this x by any number in your head. Remember, in your head. Why am I saying in your head? Because what they give you, that is what you have to find a solution to. Is that okay? Now, because here initially I used 2 centimeters. You see, this 2 centimeters from this guy to the top, right? So from the guy to the top, that is that guy at the down there, right? So this particular guy, he was here to the top, right? So he uses 2 meters to get to the top, right? Maybe when I come to this building, this building, on top of this building, you can see that the guy used 2 meters to get to the tip of that building. I don't know what that guy is going to do at the top here. That is so notorious. Don't do that, okay? Now, the other guy also used another 2 minutes. So that's why we are using the x centimeters and the x centimeter. The letters here has to be the same thing because they are using the same minutes to get to the top, right? Now, the whole question says that you should find the perimeter. What does the perimeter look like? That is the question here. What is the meaning of the perimeter, right? What does the perimeter look like? So in a second, a perimeter. Let me use another pen here. Perimeter is just merry-go-round. So what I mean by merry-go-round, if you are standing here at the tip of this building, right? You are standing at the tip of that building, and then you decided to say, okay, I'm total madness, so I will do everything by myself. You move around to your friend place, and then you continue to the tip of or the top of that building, and then you go down here again. So you are doing the whole work by yourself. Is that okay? Meaning that you are going around the entire shape here. That is what we are calling the perimeter. You just need to add them together. That's the 7 centimeters plus x centimeters plus another x centimeter. That's all. The question says that what will be the expression for each perimeter. Don't force yourself and put any number where the x is supposed to be. What they give you, that is what you have to provide, right? Okay, so if you have any special question, just make sure that you comment in the comment section below. You may subscribe to the our YouTube channel if this is something that you want to learn, or your word or somebody at the basic level to participate. We love you.